This guy earns more than 9,900 rupees every month just by uploading shorts. And if you think that e-generated content is created by YouTube's e-generated content, and all these channels are also monetized and are earning a lot. And today I am telling you guys, I will tell you an AI-generated content which is in full trending and all over the world, including USA at this time. We will not make a script first with AI, then get a voiceover done, and then make video. Rather, I will tell you to download and upload the video directly. First of all, like this video and subscribe our channel. Let me tell you that if you can create YouTube channels second, then other people can also create your kind of content and upload it on their channels. In this way, people will see the same type of content everywhere, after which people will create YouTube channel. It has to be saved at any cost so that people stay on its platform and people never leave its platform. And all this is possible only when creators create unique content. Then YouTube first, we will download the AI generated content and then modify it to make it unique, with which we will start from YouTube, and then for downloading videos we will use Pinterest app. If you do not have Pinterest installed in your phone or PC, then install it. So let's begin. We come to Pinterest, and to use all the features of this app, first we log into it. So after login we will have some kind of interface. At the bottom you will see some options, but we will use this option, i.e. search option. When we tap on search, we will have a search bar. The show will be done in which we will search viral knowledge, then tap on the filter and select the profile from here and open this page. So if we scroll and see, many AI motivational story videos have been uploaded and can be downloaded from here. We'll use it, and not because daily videos are uploaded on this page, and I will tell you more methods from where you can get this kind of content. We play this video so you see this. This video is in English, and we also need English video because we will target the USA audience because we have to earn money. So let's start. Copy the link of the video from here and tap on these three dots and download the video from here. So after, this is our work of finding the video idea and downloading the video is over. Now we will edit this video to make it unique so that in future our video gets monetized and YouTube things must be edited, so we edit this video. To edit, I have imported the video into CapCut. Now first of all, we will extend or reduce the length of the video. You can play the video once and see whether we want to increase or decrease the speed of the video. So for the time being, we will reduce the length of the video that we have. It's very easy. From here, increase the speed by 1x. Like this, the length of our video has been reduced by 6 seconds. Alright, after this, to change the voice of this video, we will extract the audio. Just slide down a bit, click on video, and there is the option for extracting the audio from the video. Click here and boom, our audio is extracted. Then click on the audio and slide down a little and click on the voice effects here. You will see voice filters and characters from here. You can choose any voice which suits your video. We have many voices, but from here we will select this voice according to our video. Okay, do you see this? The voice has become a little heavy. Okay, now we will change the colors of the video. We will modify it a little bit. It's very easy. We will tap on adjustment, then we will set the contrast to 25, saturation to 12. Okay, so our color creating is also almost done. Now after this, we will also add some of our text on this video so you can see it on your channel. You can also put the logo of, so I will settle this also. You can see our video is ready for uploading. Just click on export, set the resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 60 and code rate high, and then export it. You can find such videos by searching AI motivation stories in Pinterest. So like the video and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars for more amazing videos. And if you are not growing on YouTube, so watch this complete playlist to know why 98% YouTubers are failing and want to make AI animation videos for free. Watch this complete video. I will see you there. Bye bye.